so hard, hustle never stopped, but the system kept blocking every move to the top. Didn't know my credit score was holding me back. Didn't know the game till somebody gave me the
Have you
math.
ever stopped to think about how a 3-digit number can determine so much about your life? I'm talking about your credit score. So today, I'm going to explain a credit score and what it really means, what it really is, why it matters so much, and what it actually measures, and why your credit report is even more important than the score itself. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation that will help you better understand how all of this really works. So let's jump in. Most people know they need a good credit score, but if you ask them what it actually is, they'd probably say, I don't know, I just know mine needs to be higher. And if that's you, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's break it down in plain teacher English. A credit score is simply a snapshot of how you've managed to borrow money over time. It's a number to help decide how risky you might be if they gave you money. Think of it like a report card. When you were in school, your teachers looked at your grades to determine how well you understood the material. Banks do something very similar. Instead of looking at math or science grades, they're looking at your financial habits. They look at things like, do you pay your bills on time? Do you borrow responsibly? Do you owe a lot of money? Can you handle a lot of money? Have you shown that you can manage credit over a long period of time? Based on that information, they assign a score. Now, here's something a lot of people don't realize. Your credit score isn't judging who you are as a person. It doesn't know if you're a great parent, a hard worker, or someone who has overcome difficult circumstances. It's simply measuring the information that's being reported to your credit file. That's why I always tell people your credit score is not your identity. It's just data. The better the data, the better the score. And why does that matter? Because your credit score can affect much more than getting approved for a simple credit card. It can influence whether you qualify for a mortgage, whether you get approved for a car loan, how much interest you'll pay over time, whether you have to put down deposits for your utilities. Sometimes it can even impact apartment applications or certain employment opportunities. That's a lot of power for one number. Now, here's another misconception. People think that the score is the most important part, and that's actually not true. The score is simply the result. What's really important is what's inside your credit report. Imagine walking into a classroom and only seeing the final grade without ever looking at the homework, the quizzes, the tests, or attendance. You'd have no idea why that student earned a grade. Your credit score looks the exact same way. The score is your final grade. Your credit report tells the story. That's why two people can have the exact same credit score, but completely different credit situations. One person might qualify for funding, the other person might get denied. The score alone doesn't tell the whole story. Think about it. That's why people tell me, Coach, my score is 640. My first response is usually, okay, let's see what's making it a 640, because that's where the real answers are. In future videos, you're going to break down what actually makes up your credit score, why it changes, and some of the biggest mistakes I see people make that keep them from reaching their financial goals. My goal isn't to help you understand credit, it's to help you become confident enough to make better financial decisions. If you're serious about improving your credit and preparing for things like buying a home, purchasing a vehicle, starting a business, or getting access to funding, make sure you watch these videos and subscribe. And if you're ready to stop guessing and have someone review your credit profile with you, check out the link in the description to learn more about the Credit Educator community. Remember, this is your credit score, and it may open the door, but understanding your credit report is what helps keeps those doors open. I'll see you in the next lesson.
Blocking every move to the top. Didn't know my credit score was holding me back. Didn't know the game till somebody gave me the math. The education hits different